The four-way stretch woven fabrics of Payen give your products exceptional properties. High elasticity, independent in all directions, keeping products in compression where it should be. High abrasion resistance and durability. Ultra lightweight, improving comfort, breathability, and drying time. High density, providing strong UV protection. Payen's 100% French production ensures labor protection compliance with the toughest international standards. Employees are valued for their skills and work in a sustainable environment with a reduced carbon impact. Air and water needed for production are recycled, and the electricity comes from low-carbon energy sources. The entire production process is carried out within 3 specialized factories located in Ardeche, in the heart of France. By following these sustainability commitments, Payen Group has been rewarded by a number of certifications, such as France Terre Textile, Hig Index, Oecotex 100, and GRS. By choosing Payen, you are choosing ethics and eco-responsibility at the service of quality.